Howdy folks. Okay, 94 Chevy Silverado. Started up one day, drove 10 meters, bloop. Can't get it started again. Okay, so the first thing, I always had intermittent starting cranking problems, so I found defective positive battery cable right by the battery hookup. Those things always go there. So that was the one problem. So I had no fuel spray at the injectors, and like the pump wasn't priming to the injectors, and I went through all the checks. I did the reference checks on the sensors. I was getting my 5 volts there. I also replaced some of the grounds, the engine to body ground, other grounds at the fuel tank, but still I thought I heard the fuel pump run. I did hear the fuel pump run, but I still wasn't getting any spray at the injectors. So I finally decided to go back to here, open up the fuel door, remove the cap, turn the key on, and listen for a prime. So what did I hear? Splash, 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 all kinds of splashing. So right away I knew, okay, fuel pump issue. So sure enough, here's the issue. The little splice rubber piece that goes from the actual pump to the line, and it's like mush. That's thanks to the ethanol fuel again, causing another problem. So I'm off to the parts store to buy a 3/8 inch, hopefully ethanol resistant fuel line and a few clamps. So that's what happened in my case. Anyways, a thank you to Scanner Danner for all his help. The guy's amazing. Look him up, he's great. Okay, later guys.